On February 9, 1950, a U.S. senator walked into a small room in West Virginia and claimed he had a list. Not evidence, not names verified by courts. Just a number. And that number was enough to terrify a nation. His name was Joseph McCarthy. At the time, he was an obscure senator from Wisconsin. Little national recognition, few legislative achievements, and an election approaching. But McCarthy understood something crucial. America was afraid. World War II was over, but peace never arrived. The Soviet Union had tested its first atomic bomb. China had fallen to communism. And whispers spread that the enemy wasn't overseas. It was inside the government. At a Republican Women's Club meeting, McCarthy raised a piece of paper and said, "I have here a list of 205 people in the State Department who are known members of the Communist Party." The number would change. The evidence never appeared, but the accusation stuck. McCarthy didn't need proof. He needed suspicion. Careers were destroyed not by convictions, but by accusations. To deny was to look guilty. To stay silent was worse. Writers, actors, scientists, diplomats. Thousands were investigated. Hollywood created blacklists. People lost jobs for attending the wrong meeting, or knowing the wrong person. Freedom of thought became a liability. In 1954, the tables turned. Televised hearings exposed McCarthy's tactics to the public. When asked, "Have you no sense of decency, sir?" the spell broke. The Senate formally censured him. His power vanished almost overnight. McCarthy died years later, disgraced. But his legacy survived. McCarthyism became a word, a warning about what happens when fear replaces evidence. McCarthy never proved his list was real, but he proved something else. That a democracy can be shaken, not by lies alone, but by fear people are ready to believe.